From GE to Samsung, these washers combine smart design, powerful cleaning, and everyday convenience. So, which ones truly stand out this year? Let's count down the 5 best washing machines of the year, and you won't want to miss number 1. All links are in the description below, so let's get into it. Number 5. The GE Profile Ultra Fast Combo Washer and Dryer is a smart all-in-one laundry solution designed to wash and dry large loads in about 2 hours without needing to transfer clothes between separate machines, making laundry day far more convenient and efficient. It features a generous 4.8 cubic feet capacity that can handle bulky items like king-size comforters in a single cycle, saving you time and effort. The unit's ventless heat pump technology and fast airflow drying system provide up to 50% more energy-efficient drying compared with traditional dryers, while the adaptive smart dispense technology automatically dispenses the correct amount of detergent and softener, up to 32 loads worth, based on the load size and type. With Microban antimicrobial protection built into the gasket, dispenser, and drain system, it helps keep the interior fresh and odor-free load after load. Number 4. The LG Wash Tower Laundry Center is an innovative all-in-one laundry solution designed to simplify and elevate your wash routines without sacrificing capacity or performance. At its core, the Wash Tower combines a front-load washer and dryer in a single integrated tower that's engineered for ergonomic convenience and powerful cleaning performance, so you don't have to bend, stack, or step to reach either unit. One of its standout strengths is LG's Turbo Wash technology, which delivers fast, thorough cleaning even on large loads, while the sensor dry system automatically adjusts drying time and temperature for optimal results and reduced energy use. The Wash Tower also features AI fabric sensor technology, intelligently detecting load size, fabric type, and moisture levels to tailor each cycle for the best results possible. Number 3. The Maytag Pet Pro Top Load Washer. It is built for pet owners and busy households that need serious cleaning power without the mess. Designed with active families in mind, it combines a powerful wash system with targeted pet hair removal features that make tackling pet hair and everyday stains easier than ever. One of its key strengths is the Pet Pro filter, which captures and traps pet hair throughout the wash cycle so it doesn't redeposit on your clothes, bedding, or towels, a huge advantage for anyone dealing with shedding. The washer also offers a deep fill option that lets you add extra water for heavily soiled loads, and multiple cycle choices tailor cleaning to everything from delicates to heavily soiled gear. With durable commercial-grade components, a high-efficiency impeller for robust agitation, and intuitive controls that make selecting cycles effortless, this Maytag washer doesn't just clean, it conquers tough messes with reliability you can count on. Combined with a spacious drum and thoughtful design, the Pet Pro Top Load Washer stands out as a hard-working laundry solution that makes life with pets, and life in general, cleaner and more convenient. Number 2. The Samsung Bespoke Ultra Capacity Smart Front Load Washer. It is designed for modern homes that demand big load capacity, smart convenience, and premium cleaning performance all in one sleek package. With its ultra capacity drum, this washer lets you wash more clothes, bulky bedding, or towels in a single cycle, cutting down laundry time and effort. One of its standout strengths is Smart Dial and intuitive touchscreen controls, making cycle selection effortless whether you're handling everyday wear or delicate items. The washer also features AI-powered Optimal Wash and Auto Dispense, which automatically senses load size and fabric type to deliver the right amount of detergent for deep, efficient cleaning every time. Number 1. The GE Profile Ultra Fresh Vent System Plus Washer is designed to solve one of the biggest front-load washer problems, odor buildup, while delivering smart, powerful cleaning. Its Ultra Fresh Vent System Plus with Odor Block actively removes excess moisture after each cycle to keep the drum dry and fresh, while Microban antimicrobial protection is built into key components to prevent odor-causing bacteria over time. The washer also features Adaptive Smart Dispense, automatically releasing the right amount of detergent for every load and storing enough for weeks of washing. With Smart HQ app connectivity, you can control cycles, receive alerts, and customize settings right from your phone. Combined with steam wash options and energy-efficient performance, this washer delivers a cleaner, fresher, and more hands-off laundry experience, perfect for modern, busy homes.